Most men think a stronger relationship takes years of work, big conversations, major changes, grand gestures that prove something. But the truth is simpler, and most men miss it completely. Connection isn't rebuilt in months. It's rebuilt in moments. Small, specific, repeatable moments. If you've ever felt like the space between you and her has quietly grown, even while nothing went wrong, this video is for you. Here's what most men get backwards. They think distance means something broke, but distance usually means something stopped. Not one big failure, just small moments of attention that quietly disappeared. And here's what that costs him. Not screaming arguments, something quieter and more dangerous. She stops reaching for him first. She stops expecting him to notice. She adjusts to being alone, even while sitting next to him. That is the real risk. Not conflict, distance that neither person names out loud, but there's something powerful hiding inside that truth. If small moments are what quietly broke the connection, small moments can just as quietly rebuild it, not over months, starting today. Over the next 24 hours, there are 5 specific moments you can create with her. Each one takes minutes, not hours, but done the right way, they speak louder to her than almost anything else you could say. One of them will probably surprise you. It has nothing to do with romance and everything to do with being seen. Over the next few sections, we are going to walk through exactly what those 5 moments are, why they work on a psychological level, and how to do them in a way that actually lands with her. Not just in theory, but in the next 24 hours. The first moment is simple. Put the phone down for 2 full minutes when she's talking to you. On the surface, it looks small, almost too small to matter. What it's really telling her is that she has your full attention without competing for it. This is where many men accidentally get it wrong. They nod along while still half watching a screen, thinking presence and politeness are the same thing. A stronger response is closing the laptop, setting the phone face down, and actually looking at her while she speaks. Not this, nodding while scrolling, but that full stillness, even for 2 minutes. I once heard about a man who started doing this every evening for a week. His wife told him, unprompted, that she felt like he was back. That is why this matters. Attention is the first currency of connection, and most men are quietly bankrupt in it without realizing. The second moment is specific appreciation. On the surface, saying "thanks for everything" sounds generous enough. What it's really doing is telling her nothing at all. Generic gratitude blends into background noise. This is where many men accidentally undercut their own good intentions, offering praise so broad it feels hollow. A stronger response is naming one exact thing. Not "thanks for everything," but "I noticed you remembered how I take my coffee, even after all these years." I once heard about a man who started naming one specific thing daily. Within days, she started doing the same for him, unprompted. That is why this matters. Specific appreciation proves she was actually seen, not just tolerated. The third moment is physical affection with no agenda attached. On the surface, this sounds like something reserved for romance or apology. What it's really communicating is safety. This is where many men accidentally only reach for her when they want something. She feels that pattern, even if she never says it out loud. A stronger response is a hug that doesn't lead anywhere. Not this. Touch as a means to an end, but that touch as its own complete message. I once heard about a man who started hugging his wife for no reason each morning before work. She later said those seconds became the calmest part of her whole day. That is why this matters. Touch without expectation tells her she is wanted, not just needed. That's the first layer. But the next two moments go even deeper, into the parts of connection most men never think to touch at all. The fourth moment is asking a real follow-up question. On the surface, asking, "How was your day?" seems like enough. What it's really missing is depth. Most conversations stop at the first answer. This is where many men accidentally treat the question as a formality instead of an opening. A stronger response is asking one more question after her first answer. Not this, "Good, glad to hear it," but that, "What part of that felt hardest?" I once heard about a man who started asking just one follow-up question every night. His wife said it was the first time in years she felt like he was actually curious about her life. That is why this matters. The second question is where real conversation begins. The first is just the doorway. The fifth moment is saying something true and a little vulnerable about yourself. On the surface, this feels risky, even unnecessary. What it's really doing is inviting her closer. This is where many men accidentally stay guarded, believing strength means never showing uncertainty. A stronger response is sharing one honest thing you're feeling. Not this, staying composed and closed, but that saying, "Honestly, today wore me down a little." I once heard about a man who shared one vulnerable sentence with his partner after years of staying quiet. She said it was the moment she felt like she finally knew him again. That is why this matters. Vulnerability isn't weakness to her. It's proof that the relationship is still real enough to be honest in. Every one of these 5 moments has been pointing toward one truth. Every insight here points back to the same idea. Strengthening a relationship isn't about doing something dramatic. It's about presence, specificity, touch, curiosity, and honesty. 5 small moments, repeated on purpose. You do not need a grand gesture or a perfect plan. You simply need to choose one moment today and actually follow through on it. If you found value in this video, subscribe and turn on notifications. Here on this channel, we explore psychology, relationships, and the hidden emotional patterns that shape how women think, feel, and connect, so you can understand her more deeply and build the relationship you both deserve. Because the man who finally understands her is the one who stopped trying to be understood first.